So welcome all to Dr. MDS Academy. In this animation, I am going to show you how Scotch Yoke mechanism works. So this is one another example of double slider crankshaft. See in the animation here, we are having crank radius. So this is, let's make the speed 0 here. Okay, or pause the animation. See here, the radius is this one. What is the radius? This is the radius of the crank radius. Okay, which you had seen in this is the crank radius. Okay, you can in this angle also. See, this is the path the mechanism is constructing. Okay, so in the below you will find expression x is equal to r cos theta stroke is equal to 2 into r. So where it is used, it generally converts rotary motion into reciprocating motion. You had seen. Okay, rotation do take place here. The rotation do takes place and resulting the reciprocating of the or linear motion of the pistons. Okay, so see here, a rotation is taking place and this is the slider. Okay, is moving to and fro, doing the to and fro motion. Okay, so rotatory motion is converted into the reciprocating motion. Rotary motion is converted into reciprocating SHM motion. Okay, you can move the direction to the change the direction also to the counterclockwise. Okay, see here. Now make the speed little higher. Okay, see the crank length you are changing. See the rotation or the diameter of the circle is changing. So the reciprocating will take place to the shorter length. Okay, see here, larger is the radius, larger is the radius, larger will be the coverage of this piston. Okay, larger is the coverage of this piston, or length of motion of this slider will be larger for the larger crank radius case. Okay, smaller is the crank radius, smaller diameter or motion or the length of motion of this piston will be shorter in length. Okay, so you can see like this. See here, this is the crank and this is the stroke length 2 into r. Okay, here the path how the taking place in case of the Scotch Yoke mechanism. You can see additional information here also. Okay, SHM motion. Okay, so change the crank radius. See the how the motion is being taking place. Okay, so that was all about the Scotch Yoke mechanism. So thank you all.